Hi, Jared Carmen from Carmen Real Estate and welcome to 14 Moonrise Place in beautiful Mornington. This home is amazingly renovated. It's in a very quiet location. You're set back off the street on 1,176 square metres. If you've got toys, this is the place for you. Look at all the parking space out here. Double garage, double shed. Yo beauty! Come and check out the house. On entry, you see timber floors that flow all the way through the property, leading into the study, which also features internal access to the garage. The main bedroom set at the front of the house is a great size, awesome brown lighting, and that leads to the dressing room, this fantastic dressing room, and that flows through to the ensuite bathroom. This bathroom is awesome, custom cabinetry all the way through, and you have this beautiful indoor-outdoor feel with the garden you can see outside. There's a living room at the front of great proportions and you can see out to the garage, and that flows into this beautifully renovated kitchen. This kitchen is amazing and you've got two of everything. You've got two ovens, two drawer dishwashers. It's super cool. Stone bench tops all the way through, and it forms part of this open plan living area. Coming together as a family in this living space would be amazing. There's a beautiful bank of windows, so it feels like the outside's coming in and you're part of the action in the kitchen, and all this space is to be enjoyed. I love it. Bedroom 2 could be used as a bedroom or as a study. And then bedroom 3 and 4 both have built-in robes, and they're serviced by a beautifully renovated bathroom, again with custom cabinetry and super cool bath. Outside, there's a great entertaining area, fully undercover, and you have this amazing backyard that is private, secure, plenty of room for a trampoline, kids' toys, kick a football. If you want to drop in a pool, it's all there. This is an absolutely gorgeous property and I hope you've enjoyed the tour. It's ready for you to move straight into. Everything's been done, the vendors have done it all for you. You've got to put your toys in the shed, it's here. So if you'd like to book an inspection, please give me a call anytime. I'd love to show you through. But be quick, this should fly.